I didn't expect to find something like this here. It had clearly been forgotten. You could see how long it had been sitting. This wasn't just any build. No one had touched it in years. The inside told the real story.
I wasn't ready for this.
It felt frozen in time. This used to be pure luxury.
And now, completely silent.
This belonged to my grandmother.
She couldn't keep it anymore.
She just wanted it gone.
The price shocked me. I couldn't say no. That's when it became real.
Moving it was the first challenge.
It hadn't rolled in years.
It's safe.
Years of neglect showing instantly.
But it was happening.
I couldn't stop staring. This felt unreal.
Now the truth would come out.
Time to see what I bought.
I wasn't expecting miracles.
And it was rough.
But not hopeless.
There was still a chance.
This was just the start.
We started with the basics. Oh.
Years of buildup everywhere.
Nothing here was ready.
This stuff was ancient.
It hadn't seen power in years. We needed to check everything.
Surprisingly solid underneath.
But not safe.
Everything had to come off.
Step by step.
The inside was next.
This used to be premium.
Luxury, buried under neglect. Leaks didn't help.
It looked empty.
We tested the systems.
And then
It came alive.
That was a moment. We tried the engine.
It struggled.
but it wanted to run. One more time. There it was. After all that time. It actually ran. That changed everything. This was real. This was real.
Now it deserved a new look.
Paint was next. This was the turning point.
No shortcuts here.
It had to be perfect. This took hours.
This color changed everything.
It finally felt alive.
No more hiding.
This was worth it.
It didn't look forgotten anymore.
That moment hit hard.
This felt unreal.
Details matter.
It finally stood right.
Inside felt brand new. This was real luxury.
It completely changed the mood. It felt powerful.
I couldn't believe this was mine.
It sounded perfect.
This was the first real drive.
I kept smiling.
Silent. Smooth.
This was freedom.
I just stood there.
From forgotten to flawless.
It felt like home.
This chapter was done.
This life felt different. This life felt different.
No regrets. And this was just the start.